I'm Michelle, and I am really excited today to show you a piece of assistive technology that has recently become very ubiquitous on our mobile devices, and it makes a huge difference for both students in our classrooms who struggle with reading, but also adults out there in the world who maybe don't love reading as much as some of the others do, or translation. This is going to change travel as well. But we're here to talk about school, so I'm going to show it to you on my iPad here. And if we go on into my Google folder, where I want to go is just into the actual Google search app. They've built what they've called, on Android models, they've called it Google Lens. If we're on an iOS, we just need to go into the Google search app. And then I'm going to show you how this works, because this is really cool, especially when we consider that from about grade 7, grade 8, all the way through, pretty much every kid has a smartphone or a tablet that they have regular and reliable access to. And so this is a free assistive technology piece that can make a huge difference in a really broad context. So I'm super excited to show you how this works because it's pretty fun. Are you ready? So let's open this app and see what we can do with it. So when I open it, you're going to notice right away that in the search bar, I've got a microphone that I could use to speak what it is I wish to search, but there's also a camera icon. So I'm going to tap the camera icon, and that's going to open Google Lens. So Google Lens on an iOS device is not its own app. It is found within the Google app. So if you look to the bottom of my screen, you'll see that there are some choices, and it looks very much like when you open the camera on your smartphone and you can change it to video or slow-mo or portrait, all those kinds of things. If I look at my choices on Google Lens, I've got translate, great for traveling. I've got text. That's the one we want to look at for classroom use. And then there are some other things as well. So I'm just going to slide this over to text. And then in front of me, I've got a grade 6 provincial achievement exam for the province of Alberta. It's an older exam. These are released questions. So this is what our government exams in Alberta look like. And we're going to use Google Lens to read it. We're going to use an actual classroom resource here to test this out to see how well it does. It's not going to be perfect. Nothing out there is perfect yet, but it's free. And so anybody with a device has access to this. Let's see what it can do. I'm just going to lift it up here to the source from this grade 6 PAT, and I'm going to try and cut out things like those numbers to the left of it because it's going to read those, and cutting them off might be easier said than done, but we're still going to try. Okay, so we give it a minute and it recognizes the text, and then I've got a button now has appeared that will allow me to listen.
Read the article below and answer questions 30 to 35. A mammoth discovery frozen in time recently. Scientists began digging up the body of a woolly mammoth that had lain frozen in the icy Siberian ground. But the big news about this mammoth is that X-rays taken through the ice show it still has its hair and skin.
For a free tool, I think that's actually pretty amazing. The pacing up at the top where it's reading titles, it's not great. I have yet to find something that can really handle that kind of layout of text. If you know of something that can handle that, please feel free in the comments to let me know about it. I would love to take a peek. For the time being, this one I'm really excited about because it puts the ability to read even from a picture or from a sign. It puts it into the hands of everybody who has a device. And I think that this is just an absolutely amazing tool, especially for our kids who really do struggle to read. So thanks for watching, and I hope you'll come join me on another video another day.